everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to show you guys how I'm going to add my journal cover for my Rooster journal here, and we're going to bind in the signatures, and I'm going to show you guys how to do a five hole pamphlet stitch. So I have two signatures here, and we are going to bind it into the journal. So, also, this is my Rooster Junk Journal series that we're working on. This is episode 4, and I have a playlist. Come check it out, and you guys can get all caught up in how to make this. And if you guys could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and then you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. All right. So now, what I want to do first is I'm going to go ahead and put in the stitch. Let's go ahead and do the 5-hole pamphlet stitch here. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting out your junk journals and doing some fun things and seeing what you can come up with, because that's always fun. And the hardest part is just to get it all out and just start doing it. And then once you start crafting and doing all that, it just comes naturally, you know? It just keeps on flowing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open these up to the middle signature here. So make sure everything's lined up the way it's supposed to be. Make sure everything's right side up. You don't have nothing upside down. Okay. And what I like to do is take some paper clips just to help hold it into place. So I'm just going to paper clip. This just helps secure it so it's not flopping all over the place while you're binding. Okay, so there we go. We got that one. And I have a template here. I already got the holes all punched out, and what I did was just, I drew a straight line on each side, and I only got 2 signatures, so I did 2. And then I just did about 1 inch from the top, and I just kind of eyeballed where I wanted them and then lined them up. Just like that on a piece of, this is like a coffee dyed paper, but, and you want to do it, you know, roughly where you, as long as your journal. This is where I'm going to have the signature, so you fold it in half, your journal. I'm going to fold this one in half. I don't want to bend it, so I'm just finding the center here, like that. And then I'm going to place this in the center. There we go. And then you could just take whatever clips you got. And then I'm just going to poke holes through where my template is. Okay, and then you take whatever thread or embroidery, whatever you want to use. Okay, and you go 3 times the size. Oh, sorry, I dropped it. So you go 3 times the size here of your journal. So 1, 2, 3, roughly. Get your needle, and I just have just a big regular needle. It doesn't matter. You can do a darning needle. You can do anything that'll get it through the holes. Okay? So what I want to do is I got this one prepped. So I'm just going to line it up where I want it. Take my pencil. Find the holes. Just putting a mark. Don't get your fingers. I've done that before. Woohoo! Don't do it. So you're just pushing through. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Double checking. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start in the middle here. Okay. And then I'm gonna leave a tail. Pretty long tail. Okay. And we're gonna go in through here. So you go up through here. That's what it's like on the back so far. Okay. And then we go through the top. Okay. And we're gonna come back up through this hole. Here. Okay. So through there. To here. Like that. Okay. And then up through bottom. And then through here. So go through here. And back up through the middle. Ta-da! Well, it takes a second, but once you get it, you get it. Okay. And then you're going to split it. Go through, tighten everything up. Okay, and then you just get it all tight. Just taut, not like super tight. And then I just tie it once, twice, and 3 times, just for good measure. And you can leave the danglers, leave it dangling, and you can add a bead to it if you want. Okay, so there's one signature, and it's in there pretty darn good. Okay, we got one in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and just get the other one in. Okay, so we are all bound in. That's what it looks like on the outside. And we got all our signatures in here, like that. We have tons of room here. You snap it. Oops. Like that, and you got room to grow. You can get some more stuff in there. Getting pretty chunky there. I'm gonna add a little more stuff to it today, and then I will definitely do a flip through for my last part of the series. I'll do that tomorrow for you guys. But I want to finish up here with, I'll go ahead and add here. I want to make sure you guys can see. see the bottom part because I'm going to tie on some really cute glass beads. See, those are pretty with a wire around them. So some blue little glass beads. So I'm going to tie that down here at the bottom. So we got like tons of rain happening today in Oregon. I'm supposed to get some snow, which we've had a lot of snow this year. I mean, we really have. So that'll be kind of nice. Just get a little bit of snow, and then it never stays long. Just have it. It's pretty though to watch come down. You can sit and drink a cup of hot cocoa or some tea or coffee and just watch it. Listen to big fat snowflakes come down. It's really pretty. Okay. So there we go. I just did a little knot. I could do 3. I like to do 3 just 'cause. And then I'll cut that one short. And then there you go. Got a cute little glass bead hanging. And this one will be for sale in my Etsy shop. So I'll make sure to get that all in, and I'll have the measurements and everything in there for you. But it's a great little farm junk journal addition to your collections. And I had fun making it. I really did. I'd love to hear in the comments if you guys had fun watching me make this and enjoyed the series. I really do enjoy sitting and doing it with you guys and showing you guys the process of how I process it and do it. And there definitely is no wrong way of how anybody does their journals or, any kind of art. You don't have to have a rule or anything like that. You can just do whatever your heart feels, Like, there is no right or wrong. Okay. There we go. So we got that. And now I was thinking, I'm pretty excited about this thought. I want to have this removable. So then you can take it off and you can have your little papers here that you want to put in, and then have your fun little stuff in this little pocket here. Okay, and I figured why not stick with the stamp theme, and I'm going to add a stamp up here, or stamp, why am I saying stamp? A snap, not stamp, snap, a snap theme. So I'm thinking here, I want to add a snap here and down at the bottom. So I'm going to do that, and then it could just snap right off and then snap back on. What do you guys think of that? I think that's kind of fun. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so let's see. I'm trying to figure out a way. I want to make sure it's on where I want it. So I'm going to line it up here. I was going to open it and lay it like that, but I don't think I need to, because I'm going to poke holes right through both of them. Okay, so now that I flipped the journal around 100 times, I just want to make sure that it's upright. Okay, so that's up. That would be horrible to do it upside down. I'm just going to eyeball it, so about... Let's do it right there. There we go. That's about center. Pop it through. Okay. Okay, so moment of truth. I got the little snaps. I keep wanting to say stamps. I don't know why. I got the snaps on. So that would be the inside of it. This is what it looks like on the outside. So you just take it and snap it. And snap it. There we go. My goodness. I love it. What do you guys think? Oh my god, I would love to hear in the comments what you guys think. I would love to know if you've seen anything like this before. Because I swear my brain just makes stuff up when I'm falling asleep at night. I've told you guys that. I'm going to have to make a dream journal for sure. So then I can keep that by my bed and wake up in the middle of the night and go, oh yeah, there you go, write it down. But we got our little snaps here, little matching ones here. Got it up. Got a little snap pocket here. And then you got your little snap pocket here to get into stuff. And then this is, of course, the snap closure. And you just want to snap this off. And just take some of your ephemera with you. You don't need the whole journal. You just put some fun little things in here. And in your little back pocket, right here, you just put some little papers in here and you just have this. So you just take this with you. Maybe to go sit in your chair and to do some, you know, little work on some fun ephemera or just fun little things you want to write down and add to your little pockets. Because, oh my gosh, it's just so much fun, you guys. You can unsnap and snap it all day long. And then you got the cover here. Just the feel of it is so cool. I really love it. And then when you're done, you just snap it right back on. Just like that. So it's just a little snappy little rooster journal here. And then you snap this around. So there we go. So I would love, love, love to hear in the comments what you guys think. It helps me out a lot. And I love hearing from you guys. And please hit the like button if you like this. I'm going to continue adding some more ephemera throughout and put some little fun surprises in there. And we can, I'll do a flip through with you guys tomorrow and get it into my Etsy shop. So thank you guys for following along and keep on crafting.